Welcome to another class on simultaneous linear equation. In today's class, we're going to go over a series of past exam questions. So I want you to pay attention. Okay, let's start with the first question. We are asked to solve for the value of x and y in this pair of simultaneous equation. In our previous class, we learned the condition whereby we add and subtract our equation. You understand? Let me just put it like that. Okay, now which unknown are we going to eliminate? You see, when you are dealing with simultaneous equation and you are using elimination method, eliminate the unknown that is easy to eliminate. Are you paying attention? Because looking at this question, this one will come out in objective, you understand? So it is easy to eliminate y. The reason is because they have the same coefficient, even though their signs is different, you understand? So in this case, I'm going to be eliminating y. You know, in our previous class, I showed you the three steps when you are using elimination method. The first step is to determine the unknown that you want to eliminate. In this case, we have two unknowns. We can either eliminate x or we should eliminate y. So I've chosen that I'm going to eliminate y, and the reason is because the coefficients are the same, even though the signs are different. Now, since I know that the signs are different now, I'm going to add both equations. Do you understand? All this we've learned in our previous class. If you pay attention, remember, we've learned all this in our previous class. So I'm going to add both equations because I'm eliminating y and the coefficient of y is the same, even though the signs are different. You understand? Assuming that they have the same sign, I'm going to subtract. You understand? Now, because this the signs of the coefficient of y, they are different, I'm going to add both equations to eliminate y. Do you understand? So that's it. Now let's go. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, let us add. For this, I'm going to have 3x plus x. So I'm going to have 3x plus x, okay? Negative 2y plus 2y. That is negative 2y plus 2y. And then the other side of the equation, that is equals to 7 plus negative 3. 7 plus negative 3. Do you understand? Okay, 3x plus x, that is 4x, okay? Now, negative 2y plus 2y, that will be what? 0, you understand? Because when you take the product of a positive number and a positive number, you're going to have a positive number. So, I'm going to have negative 2y, positive 2y, equals to 7 minus 3, okay? So, 4x is equals to, now, because this and this will give us 0, so I'm going to have is equals to, 7 minus 3 is what? 4. So, I'm going to have 4x is equals to 4, this over 4, and this over 4. X is equals to 1. That is the value of x. Now, we are done with one part of the equation. We are still asked to find the value of y. Having gotten the value of x as 1, we can easily get the value of y by substituting 1 into any of these equations, either equation 1 or equation 2. So let us use equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x minus 2y equals to 7. Okay, when x is 1, I'm going to have 3 into bracket 1 minus 2y is equals to 7, okay? So negative 2y is equals to 7. Now, I've skipped one step here, okay? From this point, 3 times 1 is 3, so I'm going to have 3 minus 2y is equals to 7. If this 3 crosses the equals to sign, I'm going to have negative 2y is equals to 7 minus 3. Do you understand? So I'm going to have negative 2y is equals to 4. Divide both sides by negative 2y. Negative 2 rather. So I'm going to have this over negative 2. Y is equals to negative 2. Do you understand? Okay. So this is the value of x and y. X is equals to 1 and y is equals to negative 2. These questions, this type of questions usually come out for in the objective. You understand? So you won't waste time. You won't waste time on it. Okay. Let's have another question. Question 2. If x plus y is equals to 12 and 3x minus y is equals to 20, find the value of 2x minus y. Okay, now you can see how do we go about this question. We are going to use elimination method to solve this. Okay, please pay attention. Let me teach you how to handle question, especially objective question. When you are dealing with objective question in exam, do you understand? You use the fastest approach. Are you paying attention? If you are sure that you know how to solve this using substitution method, if that is the one that you know, that you are very sure that no, I can do this within the time frame, just use it. Are you paying attention? But in this case, elimination method is better. just add both equation and solve for the value of x, then substitute the value of x into any of the equation and get the value of y. Do you understand? So when you are dealing with objective question, because this kind of question is usually we usually come out in the objective question. We hardly see this type in theory. Okay, so let's quickly solve this. Now, since you know that the coefficient of y is uniform, even though the signs are different, are you paying attention? The coefficient of y is the same, though the signs are different now. We are going to add both equation. Are you paying attention? This one we learned it in our previous class. So, peradventure, if you missed the first class, kindly check the description of this video to watch it. Okay? So now let's add both equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, by the time we add both equation, we are going to eliminate the value of y. For this, I'm going to have x plus 3x. Now, plus y plus minus y is equals to 12 plus 20. Do you understand how I got this? I just add both equation, x plus 3x, that's how I got this, plus y plus minus y. Do you understand? Then 12 plus 20, 12 plus 20. Do you understand? Okay, x plus 3x is what? 4x. So for this, I'm going to have 4x. This will give us 0, so there is no need. 12 plus 20, that will give us 32. Do you understand? So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Okay? This is divided by 4 and this is divided by 4. 32, this 4 will cancel this 4. So I'm going to have x is equals to 32 divided by 4. That will give us 8. Do you understand? Now, when x is 8, we can get the value of y by substituting x into any of these equations. So let us use equation 1. Equation 1 is what? X plus y is equals to 12. Okay? Now, x is 8, so I'm going to have 8 plus y is equals to 12. Now, y will be equals to 12 minus 8. You understand? So I'm going to have 12 minus 8. Y is equals to 4. You understand? So the value of x is 8 and the value of y is 4. Now, we are asked to determine the value of 2x minus y. Let's write it here. 2x minus y. Now, 2x minus y will be 2 into bracket x. X is what? 8. So I'm going to have 8 minus y. Oh, sorry. The value of y now is 4. So I'm going to have this minus 4. 8 times 2 is 16. So I'm going to have 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 will give us 12. So the value of 2x minus y is what? 4. Is 12. Do you understand? Okay.
To watch the next class, kindly check the description of this video. You are going to see a link there. Click on that link, or you should check the playlist on this channel. Okay, see you in the next class.